Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to bring you guys my Walgreens haul. Now first we're gonna go into Walgreens and go shopping. I show you guys some deals. I show you more deals than what I actually purchased because I don't need to purchase everything for a video. So I do a lot more deals on camera to show you guys the deals in the store, and then I come back and show you my haul, any problems that I had, and then I also have a printable breakdown for the deals that I showed you guys, so you guys can have all three options in each video. So let's go shopping. The Irish Spring is on sale for $3.99, but we do have a $2 off digital coupon where you guys will get it for $1.99. I also have a 3 off of 2 coupon where you'll get it for $2.49 if you want to do that deal. The Olay body wash is on sale for 2 for $12. You want to buy 2 of them. There is a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, plus we have an 8 off of 4, but you want to use the 4 off of 2. You'll end up paying $8 for 2 of them, but you will get a $4 register reward, making it just $4 or $2 a piece. The Garnier Whole Blends and the Garnier Fructis, these are on sale for 2 for $7. We do have a 3 off of 2 Garnier Whole Blends digital coupon. We also have a 3 off of 2 Garnier coupon. You guys will get both bottles for just $4 or $2 a piece. The L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner is on sale for 3 for $12. We currently have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. There's also a coupon in the Walgreens booklet for 2 off of 2. You can do it on the app or in the booklet. You'll end up getting these for just $5 or $1.67 a piece. Here we have the Oral-B Crest and Scope. They're on sale for either $3 or $4. We currently have, these are 2 different deals. We currently have a 3 off of 2. So you can buy the Oral-B for $3. You'll end up paying, you use this digital coupon, you'll end up paying $3, but then you get a $3 register reward when you buy 2, making them free. Or you can buy 4 of them, or buy the $4 off one. You'll end up paying $5 after the digital coupon, but then you'll get a $4 register reward, making them $1 or 50 cents a piece. They also have the deal for the toothpaste, and then they also have the same deal going on with the mouthwash. The Colgate toothpaste is on sale for $4. We also have some $4 off toothbrushes that you can use. You'll end up wanting to use a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys will use. You'll end up paying $4 for 2 of them, but then you'll get a $4 register reward. Now keep in mind, it does say when you do Olay, Pantene, Secret, Colgate, or Crest. So some of these deals you will have to do in separate transactions. Here we have the Compeed. Now there is a $4 off digital coupon that does expire today. Otherwise you will have some inserts coupons that are in the 5/16 save. I do not have that physical coupon, so we are using the digital coupon. So you want to do $9.99 with the $4 off digital coupon. There's also a $3 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet or the app. You'll end up paying $2.99 for that item, but then there is a $2.50 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 49 cents. The Bulldog razors or the refill blades on sale for $5.99, but there's actually a $4 off digital coupon that you'd want to use. You'll end up just getting this for $1.99. The Mentos is actually on sale for $1.29. Now these are great filler items if you are paying with register rewards. You'll end up paying $1.29, but then you will get a $1.29 register reward, making these free. So use these as filler items to get more bang for your buck. Here we have the Trolley Sour Gummy Creations on sale for 2 for $4. You'll pay $4 for it, but then there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, so you'll end up submitting for 2 of them. You'll end up getting the final price for these just $3 or $1.50 a piece. Here we have the Sour Punch 4 for $4. It does say it needs to be 3.5 or larger to do this deal, so you want to pay $4 for 4 of them. But then there is a 55-cent rebate with Ibotta times 5, so you can do this deal 4 times in this transaction. You'll pay $4, but then you'll get $4.55, which is $2.20 back with Ibotta, making your final price for this just $1.80 or 45 cents a piece. Here we have the red vines, regular price $4 for $4. You can buy 4 of them, you'll pay $4 for this. But then there is a 60-cent rebate with Ibotta with a limit of 5, so you'll times this by 4, which comes out to be $2.40 back with Ibotta, making your final price just $1.60 or 40 cents a piece. Okay, the Airhead filled ropes are on sale for 2 for $3 this week. You'll end up paying $3 for it, but then there is a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta with a limit of 5, so you'll get $1.50 back with Ibotta. Then there's also a deal with Shopkick where you get 25 kicks for scanning and 275 kicks for purchasing the product, which is equivalent to $1.20. So you'll pay $3, you'll get $1.50 back with Ibotta, you'll get $1.20 back with Shopkick. Your total comes to be just 25 cents for 2 bags of those. We have the Gain Laundry Detergent, $4.99. You want to buy 2 of them. There's currently no digital coupon that I see, but you'll end up paying $9.98. But then you'll get a $3 register reward when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be just $6.98 or $3.49 a piece. The Arm & Hammer is on sale for regular price $6.99, but it's buy 1 you get 2 free, so you'll pay $6.99. But then the final price comes out to be just $2.33 a piece. If you need garbage bags, they're on sale for $5.99. You got a little bit ones to choose from. I have the General Mills cereal on sale this week for $1.88, but there is no coupons for it. I know, it's weird. I did not see a digital, I did not see any paper coupons, so if you need some cereal, $1.88. Just want to share with you guys on this deal, but they have the Special K cereal on sale, the Kellogg's cereal for $1.99. But there is a deal where if you buy 3 of the special products of the Special K and cornflakes, you can get a free bottle when you buy 3 of them. So right now, I don't know if there's any printable coupons off the Kellogg's website, but you could pay $6 of cereal and get a free bottle absolutely free. I just want to show you some snack deals. So they got Oreos on sale for $1.99. They also have Keebler and Chips Ahoy for $1.99. But if you check your Ibotta app, there is some deals. You could get the fudge stripes for a 25-cent, so you'll end up getting this for $1.74. They also have some Cheez-Its on sale for 3 for $5, but then there is a 25-cent rebate back, so you'll get 75 cents back, making this $4.25 if you need Cheez-Its. And then they have some other deals that you could do also that are on sale. More great deals if you guys need anything. They have a lot of the nuts on sale for $1.88, so that's a great deal. They got trail mix also for sale for $1.88. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It is a new month for Walgreens, so you definitely want to make sure you grab the new booklet. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens, which I'm pretty excited for. There were some deals that I was not expecting, and I was excited to do it. So I loaded up on a lot of candy, which I was not expecting to do, but let's just dig in and I can share with you guys some deals. Now, I always like to show you as many Ibotta deals as I can. So we actually had some Sour Punch. Now these were 4 for $4. They are 4.5 ounces. The Ibotta thing, I said, I think it needed to be 3.5. So anyways, these were 4 for $4. You'd pay $4 for this, but then there are 55-cent rebates with Ibotta. It is a limit of 5, so I did this deal 4 times, so I got $2.20 back with Ibotta. So your grand total for these come out to be just $1.80 or 45 cents a piece if you guys need to get some of that candy. And those can also be used as fillers if you guys are paying with register rewards. Now I did the red vines deal because I've actually been craving these. These red vines were also 4 for $4. There is, so you guys would pay $4. There is 60-cent rebates with Ibotta for this. So you guys can get $2.40 back with Ibotta for this, which is a great deal. So your final price for this would be $1.60 or just 40 cents for these 40 cents each, which is a great deal. Then I saw this deal and I decided I'm gonna open up the Shopkick deal and see if there's any other deals for this, and there was. So I did the Airheads. Now these are the rolled ropes, which really don't feel like rolled ropes, but there are. These are 2 for $3. You guys would pay $3 for this, but there is a 75-cent rebate and a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta. And you get 300 Shopkick points for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $1.20. These come out to be just 25 cents. 25 cents for the both of these. You guys cannot go with a deal. You got one for 12 cents, one for 13 cents. Great, great deal if you guys need to go ahead and do that. I got another Ibotta deal that does end today if you have the digital coupon. If you have the paper coupon, it does not end today, but I did not get the paper coupon. So the Compede is just regular price, $9.99. There is a $4 off digital coupon that you guys want to clip. It expires today as in Sunday. Otherwise, in the 5/16 save, you can use $4 off insert coupons. Then there is a $3 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You either clip it to your card or scan it, so you can use that. You'll get this for $2.99, but then there is a $2.50 rebate with Ibotta, making this bad boy just 49 cents. If you guys need to go ahead and do that, go for it. Now I also did the Bulldog deal. Now these were on sale for $5.99. There is a $4 off digital coupon that you can use. My store also had $3 off Peely coupons, so it just depends on what do you get, but $4.99 digital coupon. This comes out to be just $1.99 if you need some Bulldog razors. Okay. So I had to do a couple transactions because some of these deals were the same deals, but I ended up getting the Mentos. I did these in 2 separate deals. These are great filler items. These are each $1.29. You would pay $1.29 for that, but then you get a $1.29 register reward, making these free. You can do this deal as many times as you want. But like I said, if you're paying with register rewards with your transactions, you can use this and get more register rewards back if you want to go ahead and do that. So I ended up doing the Oral-B deal, and these were $3 a piece, and I used a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Now my digital did not come off, so I have a couple problems and I'll show you guys, but my digital did not come off, so I have to contact Walgreens to make sure it gets taken care of. But if you have that $3 off coupon that does work for you, you'll pay $3 for this, but you will get a $3 register reward, making this absolutely free. So if you guys need to go ahead and do that. Okay, so then I did the Colgate deal. These were $4. The Colgate was $4. You want to buy 2 of them. There's currently a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, and guess what? My $4 off coupon did not come off either. $4 off coupon did not come off either. So if it works for you, you would pay $4 for this, but then you'll get a $4 register reward, making these for free if you guys need to go ahead and do that deal. I did the L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner. These were 3 for $12. There is a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, which my coupon did come off. And there's also a $2 off of 2 booklet coupon. And actually, look at this. So it takes $2 off of these 2, and it actually took $1 off this. So you can actually get the 3 and it'll take $3 off, which is actually a pretty good deal. So your grand total is actually $4. I thought it was gonna be $5, but it's actually $4 for all 3 of these. So these come out to be just $1.33 a piece if you guys need to go ahead and do that deal. So it ended up turning out better. And then I ended up doing the Olay body wash. This is this is by far my favorite smell. I love this smell. It is the white strawberry and mint. These were 2 for $12. Now, if you do the Colgate deal, you have to do this in a separate transaction. If you do the other Oral-B deal, that's $4, you have to do that in a separate transaction. So, just giving you guys a heads up with that. But these were 2 for $12. I had a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that I used. You would pay $8 for this, but then you get a $4 register reward, making these $4 or just $2 a piece. You can also submit your receipt to the P&G website. I've been forgetting to do that, but if you need to go ahead and do that, definitely go ahead. And that was the stuff that I got. I showed you guys a lot more deals than what I did. I also got a $2 off Catalina coupon for the L'Oreal Vibe. So yes, so I will be contacting Walgreens because my two $4 off coupon, or $4 and a $3 off coupon, did not come off. So just giving you guys a heads up to watch those. I don't make a big deal about it in the store. You could try to see if they could redo the transaction. I just sometimes will just be like, I'll just contact Walgreens myself. But my total came to $34.42. Now I did pay with points on a lot of that stuff, and I did pay with register rewards, but I do not factor that stuff in when I share with you guys my total. I also had a spend 25 Catalina that I found in the parking lot yesterday when I was at Walgreens. So I got $7,007 in cash rewards for a Catalina I found in the parking lot. So if you guys find any Catalinas, register rewards, boosters, any of that stuff, you can definitely use those. It doesn't matter if it's linked to any card. I always sometimes look in the garbage because people just throw that stuff away. That is free money. So $34.42, I ended up getting $12.39 back with points. I ended up getting, I had that $7 booster, and then one of these things was a $4 cash rewards, but I don't remember what one that is. I must have been some kind of booster I had. I don't know, but I ended up getting $12.39. I got $8.60 back with Ibotta. I got 4 rebates back with Ibotta, which is a great deal. With Shopkick, I'll be getting $1.20. And then with register rewards, I got $13.58 back. And then I will be contacting Walgreens, and they owe me $7 in points possibly. Usually that's what they do. But without the $7 coupon, it came out to be $1.35 moneymaker. But with that $7 rewards they'll probably end up giving to me, it'll end up being an $8.35 moneymaker. So I was pretty excited. I was not expecting it to be an awesome week, but it ended up turning out to be pretty good. So I was excited for that. But I just wanted to share with you guys some deals, so if you can do some, but definitely try to do that candy deal if you're trying to build up Ibotta. I keep forgetting, I think it's like June already, but it's still May. But still wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all next time. See you later. Bye-bye.